Beautiful 4-bed 2.5-bath home located in Sherwood Forest. This home features a split floor plan, gorgeous hardwood and ceramic flooring throughout the home, your own jetted tub and walk-in shower in the master bath, a fireplace in the living room to keep you cozy in the winter, and of course plenty of outside space for you to relax on a nice day and room to add any additions to the home. Are you seeking privacy or love to be around nature? This is the perfect home for you. This home sits on 1.9 acres off to itself on a beautiful lot. Your own piece of serenity yet still close enough to town. Love to cook or host family events? The kitchen has plenty of open space that will allow you to move about smoothly while entertaining your guests. There is also a formal dining room to sit and have a nice meal for your family functions. Since the home has 4 bedrooms, there is room to convert one to whatever you can see yourself using it as, such as home office, workout area, playroom, man cave, etc. The possibilities are endless. Schedule an appointment with your favorite realtor today. This home will not last long,